Adding memory is one of the easiest ways to make your computer faster, more responsive, and better at multitasking. Here's how to do it. Start out by clearing your install space, then gathering everything you need. You will need your laptop computer, crucial laptop memory, a screwdriver, and your system's owner's manual. Shut your system down. Then remove the power cable. Now remove the battery. If you're not sure how to do this, consult your owner's manual, which will show you how to do it. If your laptop doesn't have a removable battery, you don't need to do this. Now let's make sure there isn't any residual electricity in your system. So hold the power button for 5 seconds to get rid of it. Now open your laptop. For instructions specific to your system, consult your owner's manual, which will tell you where the memory slots are at. Before touching anything inside your system, ground yourself by touching an unpainted metal surface. One touch and you're good. There are usually lots of grounding options to choose from. Now take out the existing memory modules. Pull the side clips away from the module, which will allow you to remove it. Grab your new crucial modules by the side edges to avoid touching the gold pins. Align the notch on the module with the ridge in the slot. Then insert the module at a 45-degree angle. Once the module's in the socket, press down on it until it clicks into place. Once all your modules are in, put everything back together. It's time to enjoy a faster computer.